Alright, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. We welcome you all to another interview segment on Sports Corner. Kahit po ay medyo busy sa palarong pambansa. And today, kasama pa natin ngayon ang ilan sa mga miyembro ng Philippine Jiu-Jitsu Duos Team na aalis papuntang Germany
Yay!
para doon sa kanilang training camp para sa mga international competitions na kanilang sasalihan. And I will let yung ating coach natin, si Coach ST Gay linawin para ma-introduce natin isa-isa yung ating mga members. Pero yung isa, medyo kilala na natin, si Bayan Mariano, ang isa sa mga member natin. Pero yung iba, medyo hindi ako pamilya. Ngayon lang tayo mag-uusap. Sige, Ma'am ST, yun ang bahala mag-introduce sa kanila.
Hi! Meron pala kaming kasamang isang coach din na tumutulong sa amin. His name is Rick Maano. Sorry. Rick Maanaw. Yon. So, nandyan ba?
Diyan na ba
Hello?
si Dimapore yata o
Where is
Dimaano?
Coach Rick? I think he was here a while ago kaso mahina lang
Medyo,
yung signal ng area niya. But
okay.
anyway, yeah,
Go ahead.
he recently joined our coaching staff. So he's also welcome to the team kasi you know we're still establishing this team. And with us are our juniors team also. But most of them are also competing in this coming Southeast Asian Regional Championship, which will be held here in the Philippines in Ultra. So that will be in July. So I just want to introduce the seniors, I mean the adults, sorry, the adults team. Let's go.
Adults, ha?
Sorry, let's go to, ayun, Mariano.
Hi,
Ayun.
Marian. Hello.
And she's partner with
Sky.
Maxine. Maxine for the women's division. But they're also partnering with the men for the mixed team.
Okay, si
So
Maxine,
yeah,
batiin natin. Max, hello.
Hello
Maxine
po.
Bautista.
Hello po.
Hello.
So
Yan.
yes, yun.
Okay, next.
So she's actually from juniors to adult na. From juniors team to adult. And next, kilala niyo naman siguro itong katabi ko, si Zeus.
Si
But
Sue
still with
Babando
the
is
juniors
actually
team.
a Kurasha champion. Nga pala, nanalo
Yes.
din siya recently.
And at the same time,
Batiin ka muna
crush.
sa ating mga viewers.
Hello guys.
Ay, di pa tayo tapos, ha?
Ay, di mo ba?
Alright.
Yes, may ano pa kayo ni Sir Gab. And si Asnawi Dimaporo, ayun, he's from karate but we pirated him sa jiu-jitsu naman para mag-join sa duo. And
Okay.
also
Dimaporo,
Isaiah,
please, mamaya mo na.
yes,
Sir
yes.
Dimaporo, buwati ka muna.
Yes, good afternoon po sir and ma'am din sa lahat ng viewers.
Alright. Proceed.
Yes po. Asnawi Dimaporo is from Navy and a member ng national team, di ba dati, ng karate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. And now, national team na ng jiu-jitsu. Next is Isaiah Miguel Licera. He's the partner of Zeus. Yun. And he's also a part of the Crush Juniors team.
Okay,
So,
Sky,
yeah.
bumate. Bate ka muna, Sky.
Tunog ko.
Wala.
Kahiya.
Ano siya? Shy type.
Okay.
Shy type, yes. And Maddox Pudan, the partner of Asnawi also. He's
Maddox?
sa
Very
Hi guys,
excited,
good
bate.
afternoon. Hello.
Alright. And another one?
So our juniors team also is Miss Olivia. He's a half-half. Half Filipino and half Olivia. Olivia,
Miss Olivia, can
ano
you
nangyari kay...
please
Yeah,
copy
hello.
us?
I'm kind of vlogging. So, hello.
All right.
Yeah.
Do I just turn
Anyway,
off the mic?
so
All right.
she's 14 years old and is joining the juniors team also in duo. And her partner is not with us. I don't know why. I think he's late in the training. So yeah. So these are the members of the duo team.
Okay, so karamihan po sa kanila, mga juniors, and of course, meron mga seniors. And you're actually acted as
Yes.
the head coach of the team.
Adult,
So
sir,
siguro,
adult.
Yes,
yun,
don't forget the adult daw.
the adult and of course the juniors team. Right? Kayo yung mga, tuwata yung mga
Ang
ate.
sipag na rin senior,
Pagdating-
sir.
Pagdating niya sa team. Anyway, can you tell us more about dito sa duo squad ng Jiu-Jitsu? Kasi nakasanayan natin na pag Jiu-Jitsu, medyo mga single, yung mga adult.
Newasa.
Although meron mga
Yes.
bagong ina-introduce yung fighting. Kung saan nanalo naman si Jen Buson doon sa Asian Championships. And even
Actually,
though,
nandyan si Jen sa gym.
oo, at
Yeah.
kakausapin siya in the coming days kaya pala. Pero, of course, what is the difference nitong duos ito compared nga dun sa ating nakasanayan natin na standard jiu-jitsu?
Okay, ako muna. So, yun. Duo is actually part ng Jiu-Jitsu under the JJIF. JJF, Jiu-Jitsu International Federation. So, isa yan sa mga event na nakocover ng JJIF. So, ang duo is para siyang kata ng Jiu-Jitsu. So, merong binigay na technique, attacks, yun yung ipa-follow, and then it is all up to us to add up sa mga defense. So, yun yung mga i-rate nila. So, that's the duo. So, dalawa yung mag-partner who can show the attacks na given na, and depende na sa defense ng both kung paano nila i-defense yon yung attack na yon. So, yun yung nire-rate nila. Kumbaga, para siyang kata sa judo merong kata, sa karate merong kata, sa jiu-jitsu naman, parang ito na
Taekwondo,
yung kata
Pumse.
nila. Yes, yes, yes. So, sa taekwondo meron din. Pero sa jiu-jitsu, parang ito na po yung kata niya.
Oo. I think si
So,
Mayan merong mga dagdag tungkol dito. Paano nating mai-establish itong duos? Ika nga, compared nga doon sa iba pa mga similar na mga disciplines with regards sa martial arts.
Actually, because we are still starting, no? Kaya ang ginagawa namin is we are really pirating yung mga other specialization na sport katulad ng pinagko-combine namin ang karate, yung may alam sa karate at may alam sa judo or wrestling. Kasi when it comes to duo, no, partner kasi yan, and ini-emphasize dito yung efficiency, speed, power and efficiency ng mga movement. So, for us, no, para somehow is ma-expand namin at the same time makilala din yung duo here in the Philippines. Yun nga, while we are starting, ang ginagawa namin ngayon is we are pirating yung mga other kumbaga specialization ng sports, which is yung karate, yung may alam sa karate, then i-combine namin sa may alam ng bumato, yung judo or mag-wrestling para somehow maganda yung pairing, yung balancing. Kasi kapag once na ikinumpare mo yung judo to judo, medyo pagdating sa striking medyo parang medyo hindi siya pa, medyo hilaw pa siya tignan. While pag pinag-combine mo ang may alam sa striking at sa may alam ng throwing, medyo somehow medyo maganda siyang mas maganda siyang tignan, tapos ipapolish na lang.
Ang nakakatuwa
So far yun muna ang ginagawa namin while we're the sport is still starting.
Thank you, Mayan.
Yes, sir.
Nakakatuwa nga, talagang nag-effort pa kayo i-convince yung iba pa mga nag-specialize sa iba't iba mga martial arts, yung mga related nga dun sa duos, para at least mag-convince sila pumasok sa national team. At ito nga si Sir Di Maporo ang kasama natin. Sir, paano ka nag-adjust mula sa karate patungo dito sa duos? Kasi meron mga similarities ang both sports at of course nakakagaan ba, of course, na mag-training dito nga sa inyong bagong sport na inyong nilahukan as part of our national?
Good afternoon, sir. Usually, sir, is may pagka-compare din naman po sa amin sa karate, which is the kata po, no? Meron din po kami tinatawag na bungkay sa kata, which is na-apply ko rin po siya dito sa duo kahit na hindi po talaga ako kata player, which is from committee player po ako ng karate. Then, yun po, na-apply ko rin po yung mga basic punches, kickings, yung tinatawag po namin kiyon, which doon din po ako nakakatulong na ituro sa partner ko yung mga basic punches, kickings na kung saan is na-perform po namin yung tinatawag na duo. Then yung synchronized din po na siyang nagbibigay din po sa amin ng guidance po yung mga coaches po namin kung paano po namin i-perform yung duo. Kasi ako, from karate, nakakatulong din po ako kahit papaano sa partner ko at sa mga teammates ko na how to apply the basic punches and kicking, yung tinatawag nga po namin yun. Then, yun po, pinapacheck ko rin po sa mga coaches po namin kung tama po yung mga ginagawa po namin training.
Thank you so much. Ma'am ST, correct me if I'm wrong, 2023 o 2024 ba inintroduce itong duos sa Pilipinas?
2023. Kasi kami yung 2023, nag-compete kami for 2023 ba? Yes, 2023. Yun, nag-compete kami for SEA Games. And yun, luckily we got bronze. But I think 2024 pala. And then 2023 yung preparations namin.
Okay, so
And
it's more than a
partner ko
year.
that time was, yes, basta last SEA Games.
2023, ma'am.
Oh, 2023. So, yun, 2023. So, yeah, my partner that time was Christopher. Naalala mo yung sa
Oo,
interview
na-interview
namin sa
natin
Cambodia?
dati si Chris
Yeah,
at ikaw with regards to
yes.
that. So, ang last competition was 2023 with regards sa international. Pero ngayon, susubukan nila na makabalik nga dito sa Southeast Asia Regional Championship. Although, ang duos ay hindi kasama doon sa SEA Games, I mean sa Asian Championship na.
Kasama,
Kasama sa Asian
kasama
Championship.
actually.
Pero
Pero hindi kami na pumunta kasi nagpe-prepare kami for SEA Regional and we're going to Germany for training camp. So we better prepare na lang muna for the training camp kaysa dun sa Asian Championship muna.
So, that was a wise decision, Ika, kasi alam natin, pag-uusapan natin ay of course yung upcoming training camp nga dito sa Germany nga. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, Ma'am ST, yung training ba, tuloy-tuloy rin ba? And of course, constant ang support ng mga iba't iba mga kaibigan natin to actually we integrate na yung focus natin sa ating training ng ating mga adults, of course the juniors team, in order na mapapagandaan natin yung ating team para dito sa Southeast Asia Regional. So, how's the training muna dito sa Pilipinas?
Yes, the time that we decided to regroup yung yung duo, since hindi na naglaro yung ibang players ng duo like AC, AC got married, Chris is already the coach ng juniors national team. Ang sabi ko na lang, okay, since hindi na mabuo yung duo ulit, so magte-train na lang kami ng mga future na possible champions, which is this team na mag-represent ng Pilipinas. So, yun, nag-train sila and nag-compete din sila sa national trials. Sorry sa background. So, nag-compete sila sa national trials last February and yun, nakakuha naman sila ng spot nila sa national team. But yes, yung merong ano ang JJFP and the PSC na until the team will give result, only then they'll become part of the NTP ng PSC. Though they're already a part of the NTP, but they're not receiving any allowance pa kasi kailangan, yun nga, merong agreement ang JJFP and PSC na magbigay muna ng result from competitions. That's why we're preparing, kumbaga, gusto namin na sana makamedal sa sa SEA Games and SEA Regional para ma-prove naman namin na ang duo is kaya naman nating makipag sabayan sa mga like Thailand who are now in the world champion sa duo. So mapakita natin na kaya naman natin makipagsabayan sa kanila. So yun, yung preparation namin is also for SEA Regionals and Southeast Asian Games. That's why we partner with the Germany Jiu-Jitsu Federation para doon kami mag training sa kanila.
Sige, I will
Kasi
let
sila din yung world champion previous years. So I hope maibigay din sa amin yung knowledge and all and technique sa sa duo para masungkit din natin yung medal sa SEA Games.
yan talaga ang inaasam natin na makakuha na at least a podium finish na para dito sa competition. Sige, I will let yung ating mga members na rin to get their initial thoughts sa kanilang training locally at ano ang mga expectations ninyo sa inyong pagpunta nga sa Germany. Si Sus muna ang ating unahin. Sus?
Ano po yung tanong ulit?
Ano daw yung tanong?
Ano yung expectations ninyo pagdating nga dito sa training nyo sa Germany and of course your thoughts nga pala dun sa local training camp natin? Ano yung initial observations?
I think na magiging mas mahirap at mas exciting kasi dahil nga sa ibang bansa which is parang much harder yung training kumpara dito sa Pilipinas and much experience din po yung nagtuturo sa amin.
Gusto naman ko nun.
Experience yung coach.
Okay, si
Yung
Maya
coach yung
naman.
nagtuturo sa amin.
Well, for me, sir, hindi naman na kasi bago sa akin yung nagti-training abroad since sabi ko nga nung nag-start ako to be part of the adult national team way back sa previous sport ko, no? Doon kami nagkasabayan at nagkakilala noon ni Heidi nung nagsisimula pa lang siya nung 2008 preparation ng 2008 Beijing Olympics. So for me hindi na to bago sa akin. Been there, been that, no? Actually, ang pinakamatagal kong training abroad way back before is almost more than 6 months noon in preparation with the World and Olympic dati. So, same thing pa rin naman ang expectation ko. However, yun nga siguro, ang pinagkaiba lang is dahil may experience na ako. At the same time, dahil ako isa sa mga pinaka medyo may mas matanda sa mga kasama ko, no? So yung responsibility lang sa team, so yung responsibility na i-look over yung mga batang kasama ko kasama namin actually, mga kasama kong magti-training sa labas. So most probably wala namang pressure and everything. So ang ano lang siguro is ang dadalhin ko lang siguro doon is yung responsibility, because sabi ko nga isa ako sa may edad na napupunta doon. So, yun lang naman siguro. Then, well, I'm expecting na somehow ma-enhance yung knowledge ko. And yun nga, ma-adapt ko kung ano yung ang meron sa duo. Coming na ang bansang pupuntahan namin is producer ng mga world champ in terms of this event. So, nonetheless, I'm excited and a little bit nervous sa kung anong pwedeng harapin doon. But overall, ready naman mentally and sa Germany this coming itong Palis na kaming Friday.
Okay, si Maddox naman. Maddox, same question po tayo.
Actually, si Maddox, hindi siya kasama sa mag-training Germany, pero magte-training sila dito with Olivia, Grace, and Asnawi. So, ang kasama lang muna sa Germany, kasi itong kasama sa Germany, sila yung first na-invite. Kailan lang napasok sa team sila Asnawi, Olivia, and Maddox, and Grace. So, ang training nila is dito muna. But hopefully by next na training camp, in preparation for IMAG, kasama ang buong team na mag-training din doon.
So, adults
So,
muna
yeah.
yung ipapadala sa Germany, no?
Yes.
Okay. Si Maddox muna, what are your thoughts nga pala sa local training? The same question din sa ibang mga juniors natin.
Kung dito naman is mas magko-commit pa sa may training dahil nga po sa duo is ibang klase po talaga yung duo sport. So more time management po, more sacrifices and more training pa po talaga. Always po, always repeat, sleep, repeat lang ng repeat. So yun po yung thoughts ko sa training and yun po.
Okay, Olivia, what are your thoughts right now in your training?
What is the question again po?
What are your thoughts on your training for the C regionals and how confident are you that you can claim the podium?
I'm lagging.
So, what are your thoughts on your training so far?
What is your thought about this training?
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Honestly, my thoughts on this training is kind of like
Naputol si Olivia. Okay, Maxine, ikaw muna.
Okay po, to answer the question, I'd say in local trainings based on our experience starting in
honestly,
national.
my thoughts on this
There you go.
Okay, Olivia, can you answer the question again for our viewers? Si Olivia muna.
Wait, what's just the question?
What are your thoughts right now on your training for the duos?
Do jiu-jitsu? Yeah, I think like more like coordination with your partner. And also you have to do like attacker and defender. So the 12 katas is actually 24 if you're trying to practice for both.
Okay, thank
So
you.
and also like the distance between like the places, like this is very far. It takes me 1 hour to go here by motorbike.
Okay, thank you,
So
Olivia.
more sacrifices.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, Maxine, go.
Hello sir, am I audible on your end?
Yes po, yes po.
Okay. On my end, since we started training a few months ago, nung nationals po actually, for me, it's hard to juggle academics, the sport, and of course, yung burden ng having a responsibility to carry the country and to have the pride to represent the country in the international stage. But at the same time, I'd say locally, masaya po yung training namin, and I want to invite everyone to join us as it's really welcoming. And the training is something that would really push you to improve. Somehow, yung local trainings po namin, although hindi pa po kami ganun karami as of now, but we're really, really trying to climb the top. So, yung journey po namin this coming May 30 sa Germany, and it's gonna be a month there. So, I hope yung opportunity na yon would give us a chance to grow our chemistry as a team, to grow our relationships together, and to have more confidence to represent the country. So on my end, really thankful po talaga ako sa coaches namin kay Coach ST, kay Coach Marian, sa manager po namin, kay Coach Quintin, and to everyone who keeps on supporting us, to our parents and to our friends. Thank you so much po. And hopefully, maging okay po yung training namin sa Germany.
Okay, si Sky naman.
As for the local training po, for me, masaya naman po. Pero syempre mahirap kasi national team tayo tapos may mataas na expectation for us kasi we're carrying the country on our backs, as Coach ST said. Tapos for the Germany training, if I think the training here is hard locally, I expect na sa Germany kasi our coach there, si Coach Michael Korn, producer siya ng world champions sila Thailand. So I expect that our training there will be really hard, but I still expect us to enjoy our time there. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, balikan natin si Dimaporo. Sir, your thoughts sa training natin, both locally and internationally.
So, yun nga po, bali kami na lang po yung maiiwan dito. Then, same pa rin po sa kung ano yung training po na gagawin nila doon sa Germany, same lang din po dito sa gagawin namin na mas pupursigin po namin kahit na very challenges sa amin na hindi namin makakasama dito sa Pilipinas yung dalawang magagaling naming coaches, si Ma'am ST and then Ma'am Marian. Then, magtutulungan naman po kami dito sa Pilipinas ni Sir Rex Maanaw na mas mag-improve pa po yung maiiwan dito sa Pilipinas. Then para pagbalik po nila ma'am na galing sa Germany is makikita din po nila yung improvements po namin. Yung na-expect yung nakikita nila ngayon, mas higitan po namin sa pagbalik po nila dito sa Pilipinas na mas lalo pa po kami nag-improve sa training as a duo team.
I'd like to also recognize si Grace Loberanes. She's joining right now. Grace, bumati ka naman sa ating viewers at ano yung initial thoughts nga pala sa inyong training and how do we expect nga para dito sa mga susunod na mga araw? Grace? Miss Grace, paki-unmute po.
Grace?
Hello po, Grace? Paki-unmute po. Okay. So, medyo nahihirapan si Grace na makapag-unmute.
Actually kasi sir, sa case ni Grace ngayon sir no, naka-duty kasi siya ngayon, duty on post siya.
Okay,
So, yun,
naka-duty pa rin po. Okay.
yes, on post po kasi siya ngayon sir. Thank you sir.
Okay, naintindihan naman natin. Okay, Ma'am ST, balikan natin yun sa training camp. Ilang buwan tatagal itong training ninyo dyan sa Germany? At of course, kailan yung mismong SEA Regionals?
Actually, one
Machapi-chapi yung signal natin. I guess si Marian na makakasagot. Marian, please. Medyo na-choppy lang yung konti.
Okay.
Medyo choppy ang signal ninyo. So I guess si Marian muna makakasagot nito.
Actually sir, yung training namin for Germany, we're leaving on Friday, 2 a.m. in the morning, then we're coming back on July 2. So mga 1 month exactly yung training namin doon. So right, actually eksakto yung pagdating namin kasi yung pagdating namin dito tapering na lang kumbaga. Kasi ang SEA Regional would be on July 12 if I'm not mistaken or 13. So tamang-tama lang siya sa pagbalik namin from Germany.
And with the support nga ng ating NSA and other sponsors, do you think mas lalong ma-achieve na yun yung better results? Pagdating nga sa SEA Regionals and of course the SEA Games, confident ba kayo na mapupush forward towards the top podium finish na makakuha natin?
Actually, yun kasi talaga ang goal. The goal is to have a good finish if possible is makuha namin yung #1 spot, knowing that we are the host country. But then, hindi naman magiging possible to without Ma'am Este's initiative talaga. Actually, trinabaho to ni Ma'am Este for us to able to have this training. And of course, hindi naman din to magagrant if hindi tayo tinutulungan ng ating NSA from the Jiu-Jitsu Federation, as well as actually yung manager din namin na very supportive sa amin. So, we're very thankful sa mga support na binibigay ng mga kasama natin locally. But again, in this training, we're going to give our best. At the same time, let's cross finger na during the D-Day for the competition is ma-hit natin yung aim natin, which is to have a good finish or maging one of the top finisher ng si regional, sir.
Okay, last question na lang kay Miss ST. Okay na ba yung signal natin? Malinaw na ba yung signal? Audio? Medyo nagkaka-choppy lang ako ng konti. Problema lang sa audio kasi yung signal natin medyo palabo-labo kuminsan. Okay, last question. Ano yung siguro yung long-term commitment ng ating duos upang mas lalo pa kayat yung mga tao na of course sumali nga dito sa competition. Whether kung anong mga martial arts na pinanggalingan nyo, dyan kayo babagay dito sa sport na ito. Anyone could answer?
Hello, naririnig niyo na ako?
Yes, sir. Yes po. Ikaw na.
Okay. So, yun. The reason why we prefer yung mga younger ones because malayo pa yung years of playing nila. And we're also preparing the juniors like Olivia and her partner kasi sooner sila naman din yung susunod na aapak sa adult team. So we plan to establish yung team ng adults, juniors, and kids. So yun yung target namin and hopefully by next year makagawa na kami ng team na yon para kompleto na yung compete natin sa iba't ibang events like the Championship Series, Championship, Asian, and SEA Games. And of course, we are trying to compete din sa IMAG. Hopefully next year kasama na rin yung duo next year sa IMAG. And isa rin yan sa major event na pinagpe-preparean namin ng mga adults team. So, yun.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us. And of course, we're looking forward for some updates na with regards na sa ating Fighting Duos team. Even though meron tayong initial post na with regards na dito sa ating competition and training na pagdating sa sports corner. Okay, thumbs up po tayo para sa ating picture. Alright, in 1, 2, si Grace pa. Ma'am Grace, thumbs up. Yan. Yun si Olivia nag-art pa. Okay, thank you so much sa ating mga bisita po natin.
Thank you.
Pero bago
Thank you
tayo
pala, Gab. Pwede ko ba pasalamatan ng JJFP and pag gusto namin pasalamatan ang Jiu-Jitsu Federation ng Philippines for letting us join and be partner with the Jiu-Jitsu Federation of Germany. And of course, thank you also to other friends who help us in this endeavor. And also, of course, thank you to Coach Stephen Camphis and to our president, Sir Freddy, JJFP President, Sir Freddy Agustin, for communicating din sa Secretary General ng Germany. So, thank you.
And of course, si Maya na may mga gusto kayo pasalamatan din.
Yes, sir. Unang-una, maraming salamat for having us here kasi kayo yung isa sa sumusuporta lagi, hindi lang naman po sa ibang sport but sa amin, and you are the one who are helping us to promote this sport that we have right now. So sir, thank you. And yun nga, everyone is welcome to be part of the Jiu-Jitsu Duo. We are located in Veterans, dyan lang sa Taguig. So if may mga queries kayo, you can contact us, message us in our Facebook page kasi may page naman kami. It's either sa Veterans page or dun sa Fighting Duo. And nagpapasalamat uli kami sa Jiu-Jitsu Federation Philippines for letting this happen. And of course, head coach namin kay Ma'am Este. Thank you. And most especially pala sa isa naming team manager na very supportive din sa amin. So, and sa buong team, maraming salamat. And again, see you, Germany.
And thank you also thank you also to the Manila Boat Club team for sponsoring us our tracksuits.
Yes,
Alright,
yes.
so thank you so much sa inyo lahat. God bless and keep us updated and keep us posted po. Wala pa Pilipinas. Bye-bye! Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Bye!
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
And
Bye-bye.
good evening.